Okay.
This is for JT, nigga.
What's poppin', JT? It's just me and Jack chilling here, responding to your video and shit.
That's right.
Yeah.
Love you, nigga.
Love you, miss you. You know what it is. Same shit up in Berlin. Just chilling.
Fucking sucks.
Yeah, it sucks.
Playing Call of Duty, nigga.
Playing duty, you know. We're just chilling here, you know, fucking waiting for you to come back so we can party hard and
get wasted.
and get wasted, you know. We miss you, bro. I don't know, bro. Keep your fucking head up over there and
stay strong.
Yeah, keep doing what the fuck you're doing. Yeah, if you're looking at this video, Jack does have a mohawk.
Yes, sir. It's crisp. 90-degree turn.
Nah, dude, but I don't know, man.
Nigga.
Fucking going. I don't know, bro. Just hurry up and fucking come back down, all right, bro?
Yes, sir. One
right?
love.
One love. Oh, wait. Hey, what the fuck, bro? You ain't shout Jack out. You ain't shout nobody out.
Nobody, nigga.
Just me.
Fuck?
Just
one
me.
nigga out.
Just one person. Just me. Damn.
That's so fucked
Well, you know what,
shit,
yo? I love
nigga.
you too, bro. Because I know you like that shit.